I'm not here to hand you fake positivity or sell you a 10-step skincare routine. If your skin is constantly breaking out, looking dull, or aging faster than it should, I'm going to tell you something most people won't. It's usually not because you aren't using enough expensive products. It's because of daily bad habits that you're doing completely on autopilot. You could spend hundreds of dollars on serums, but if you're quietly sabotaging your skin barrier every single day, you're just pouring water into a leaking bucket. Today, we're breaking down the 6 secret daily habits that are secretly ruining your skin and exactly what you need to do to fix them starting today. Let's start with habit number 1, sleeping on a bacteria pad. Think about this. You spend 7 to 8 hours every single night pressing your face directly against your pillowcase. Over the course of a few days, your pillowcase collects a buildup of natural skin oils, dead skin cells, sweat, drool, and leftover hair products like gels or hair oils. When you lie down, your pores are trapped against that surface for hours. This creates the absolute perfect breeding ground for acne-causing bacteria like P. acnes. Then you wake up with random breakouts on your cheeks or jawline and wonder where they came from. The fix. First, change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days, not once a month. Second, if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, consider switching to silk or satin pillowcases. They create less friction against your skin, absorb less moisture and product from your face, and don't trap dirt the same way rough cotton does. Habit number 2, touching your face throughout the day. Throughout the day, your hands come into contact with door handles, phone screens, keyboards, public transport rails, and money. They carry thousands of bacterial colonies, oil, and grime. Every time you rest your chin in your hand during a meeting, lean on your cheek while scrolling, or rub your nose, you're transferring all of that directly into your pores. And it gets worse when you pick at a minor spot or pimple. The fix. Become conscious of your hands. Keep a bottle of hand sanitizer nearby. And if you're a chronic face toucher or picker, use pimple patches over spots. They create a physical barrier so you physically can't pick at them, while helping the spot heal in a sterile environment. Habit number 3, scalding your face in hot water. A long, steaming hot shower feels amazing, especially in cold weather. But hot water is an absolute nightmare for your skin's natural lipid barrier. Your skin has a delicate protective outer layer made of lipids and oils that keep moisture locked in and bacteria out. When you wash your face with hot water, or wash your face 3 or 4 times a day with harsh cleansers, you strip away those protective lipids entirely. The fix. Always wash your face with lukewarm or cool water, never hot. Limit washing your face to twice a day maximum, once in the morning, once at night. If your skin feels tight or squeaky clean after washing, your cleanser is way too harsh. Switch to a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Habit number 4, expecting healthy skin while eating garbage and staying dehydrated. What you put into your body shows up directly on your face. You cannot out-skincare a bad diet. First, let's talk about sugar and high glycemic foods, like white bread, sodas, pastries, and fried fast foods. High sugar spikes your insulin levels, which triggers inflammation across your body and signals your sebaceous glands to produce more heavy, sticky oil. Sugar also causes a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers, making them stiff and brittle. This breaks down collagen faster, leading to premature fine lines and loss of elasticity. Second, if you're drinking coffee and energy drinks all day and barely touch water, your skin cells become dehydrated. Dehydrated skin looks dull, sunken, and exaggerates dark circles and wrinkles. The fix. Drink at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily. Swap sugary snacks for whole foods high in antioxidants, healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and omega-3s, and cut down on refined sugars. Give it 2 weeks and you'll see a visible difference in skin clarity. Habit number 5, treating sunscreen like an optional beach accessory. This is single-handedly the biggest skin crime people commit. Up to 80% to 90% of visible skin aging, wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, sagging, and uneven skin tone is caused by UV radiation from the sun. Many people think, it's cloudy today, or I'm working inside near a window, so I don't need sunscreen. If you spend money on acne treatments, vitamin C, or anti-aging products but skip sunscreen, you are wasting your money. Sunscreen is your ultimate line of defense. The fix. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every single morning as the final step of your skincare routine, regardless of the weather or whether you're staying indoors near windows. Bonus habit number 6, dirty phone screens. Think about how often you put your phone screen right up to your ear and cheek. Your phone screen holds more bacteria than a toilet seat. Wipe down your phone daily with an alcohol wipe or use headphones. Conclusion. Clear, healthy skin isn't magic, and it doesn't require a 15-product routine. It starts with eliminating the daily habits that sabotage your skin behind the scenes. Pick 2 or 3 of these habits to fix starting today. Which habit are you guilty of right now? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and take care of your skin.